What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we will be in the Plaid Studios. We're going to be taking an IKEA trip to get the rest of the stuff. It's actually available in a different location. It's a little further out, but I did some measurements and hopefully it'll fit. So a little bit of preparation. What we usually do is there's these buttons here. We move it forward so that it'll move forward and tilt forward a little bit. That way we can push this button and push the seats down. So we have this much room here. So we have this much room here, and hopefully it'll fit. Okay, so I have a list of stuff that I'll put on the screen on the items that we are getting, but it looks like the longest piece is 57 inches. It's an artificial potted plant. Hopefully there's no soil in there. But it's 57 inches in length, and hopefully we could bend it, because from the second row seat all the way to like here is just about 57. So we need to have a margin for error and stuff, but otherwise I guess we could probably put the plant in between the second row, and it should be good. Now if we were to measure like the width, the narrowest point is about, let's just say 38 inches. We should be able to clear that, but because I think 35 inch is the next highest number. One thing I also had to worry about is the weight of the items. I calculated about 286 pounds, which is about 2 or 3 adults, maybe 2 adults. So that should be quite all right. We are going to be getting like 17 shelves and like 6 drawers, so hopefully they fit. The weight thing should be okay. I mean, these aren't really real wood. So yeah, let's get going. We are at 81% state of charge. The trip, I would estimate, is probably a little over 100 miles, probably 120, maybe 130 miles round trip. So it's plenty of battery. But yeah, let's get going, because later on today I have to go to Northridge for a nighttime meetup. There's a market, night market meetup. So it's gonna be fun. Stay tuned for that video, and let's get going. All right, we have arrived here in IKEA in Costa Mesa. We are at the loading zone and things. There's a really nice, I think that's a Defender. See, I don't hate all gas cars, but I like those. There's a Mach-E right there. But we are gonna find out where we're gonna pick up our stuff. Hopefully everything will fit, and start making our way back. But let's go. Here is the stuff we're gonna be putting in, so it's not too bad. Not too bad. We got a plant right there, and that's all the space we got right here. Okay, it fits, no problem. Even the plant. Still would like a Rivian though.